Hey Team 101, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting for gold and Bitcoin for 28 and 29 May. So if you do like my analysis and forecast, do like, share and comment below, and do consider subscribing as 91% viewers viewing my video aren't subscribed. So please do consider subscribing to motivate and support me to make this kind of content. So let's begin. We are currently on 1 day chart for gold. First let me tell you, we have spotted an regular bearish divergence, which means the gold should enter in an bearish territory as the market is making an higher high, whereas the indicator is making a lower high. Here we can see that the market is in an bearish movement from 1761 till recent lows 1691. What I consider is that the market is still in an bearish trend, as if we see a break through the trend line which I am drawing would confirm a bullish trend for gold to follow. Here we can see that the market is currently trading around 1724, and if we see a break through this trend line on an 4-hourly chart or an 2-hourly or 1-hourly chart, then that would be an confirmation that we can experience a bullish trend further with an TP of 1788. However, if we see any candlestick pattern or a reversal sign, or the market not breaking the trend line, which is this, so we can go opt for an sale position and the market momentum can turn from short term bullish to bearish. However, if we see a break through this trend line, and moreover we are currently testing the support, and here we have seen an false breakout which was somewhere around 1704 till 1793. Thus there are more chances that the market should break this trend line and the bullish momentum for gold should continue in an upwards trend with an take profit of around 1794. Thus the position or the long position which I have taken was around 1704 till 1705, and I have recently closed it with around 1721 till 1722. Now waiting for the gold to break this trend line, and will opt my trade for long or short accordingly. If there is a break through this, I will go for a long position. However, I see a test towards this trend line and a downwards pressure, or the buyers are exhaust buying, or any fundamental news on vaccine or US China relationships are improving, thus will opt for a sale position. But however, the scenario which is more likely to happen is that the market should break this trend line and an upwards movement would continue. Moreover, we can draw a support and resistance zone for gold, as I will draw. From 1747 till 1758 is an resistance zone. However, if we see a break through this trend line and we go for a long position, so our first take profit should be in between this zone, and we should observe or monitor the market closely whether it's breaking through this key or a major resistance zone, as in the history or in the past the market has been bouncing off this resistance zone from here till here and from here also. Thus I would monitor this zone whether the gold is able to break through this zone above within closing of 4-hourly candle or not. And moreover, the support zone would be some around here, would be around here. This is a support zone from 1681 till 1671. If we see a bounce of this trend line and the market isn't able to break through this trend line, we might go for a short position, and our take profit for the, or our first take profit should be around this zone or above here, some here around 1681, and we should also monitor this zone carefully. If we see a closing of 4-hourly candle below, thus we can add up short positions. However, if we see a breakthrough or a test towards this zone and a U-shaped recovery, something like this, so we can close our sale position which we have taken right here and go for a long position. Moreover, what I am considering for the gold market to do is that the gold should break this trend line and should continue its upwards movements due to the uncertainty being made in the market. Now coming on 4-hourly chart, we can see an descending channel here. Here also we can see that the gold is testing the descending channel upwards resistance. Thus this would also give us a confirmation for going long on gold if we see a break above the trend. If we see a break above the resistance zone from here, however, if we follow the technical perspective and if there isn't any breakthrough or we are just testing this above resistance, thus a short term bearish momentum which was from here till here can now turn in a bullish momentum from here till here, can turn now into an bearish momentum from here till around 1685. However, the fundamentals aren't supporting this scenario. However, any fundamentals such as which can be expected or can change the trend or the momentum or a bullish momentum can be a vaccine for the COVID-19 or US-China relations improving. However, which isn't in a case and we aren't seeing this scenario. Thus what I consider is for the gold to break through this above resistance zone. Thus what I am expecting the gold to do is something like this. On 4-hourly we see a break through this, then and test. If we are lucky, we can see a test towards the support, towards the resistance zone, and then in continuation towards the recent highs. Thus a long position can be taken on an pullback, which would be some around 1726. View the video till end as I will be giving the summary and some fundamentals perspective.